Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare the best products in the market. Today, we have an exciting matchup between two top-notch robot vacuum and mop combos. In one corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop, and in the other corner, we have the Roomba Combo J5. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to suction and cleaning power, both the Shark AI Ultra and the Roomba Combo J5 have some impressive features. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction and sonic mopping capabilities. It self-empties its dustbin and picks up dry debris while simultaneously mopping hard floors. With Matrix Clean technology, it delivers 30% better carpet cleaning compared to the Roomba Combo J5's single-pass performance on level loop sand. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 offers the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7, now with the added benefit of mopping. Its 4-stage cleaning system ensures a comprehensive clean, pulling in dirt, debris, and pet hair from every nook and cranny. Edge cleaning is an essential feature to ensure a thorough clean in your home. The Shark AI Ultra comes equipped with Clean Edge Detect, which uses blasts of air and corner recognition to remove debris from edges and corners. This technology provides 50% better edge cleaning compared to the Roomba Combo J5 without Clean Edge turned on. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo J5 focuses on the dirt with its proprietary Dirt Detect technology. It detects dirtier areas and cleans them more thoroughly when the vacuum bin is installed. Filtration and allergen control are crucial factors, especially for those with allergies or pets. The Shark AI Ultra features true HEPA filtration, which captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns. It also has an anti-allergen seal in the base, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment. Similarly, the Roomba Combo J5 boasts excellent filtration capabilities, ensuring a thorough clean and reducing allergens in your home. Autonomy and convenience play a significant role in robot vacuum and mop combos. The Shark AI Ultra holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, and its bagless base eliminates the need for additional disposal bags. With Recharge and Resume, it automatically recharges and continues cleaning where it left off when the battery is low. The Roomba Combo J5 offers compatibility with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, allowing for up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. It also comes with the iRobot Home app, which allows you to create no-mop zones and customize your cleaning schedule. After comparing the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop and the Roomba Combo J5 in various categories, the Shark AI Ultra emerges as the winner with its outstanding sonic mopping, edge cleaning, and autonomy features. However, it's important to note that both products are excellent choices depending on your specific needs. And there you have it, folks. After comparing the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop and the Roomba Combo J5 in various categories, the Shark AI Ultra emerges as the winner with its outstanding sonic mopping, edge cleaning, and autonomy features. However, it's important to note that both products are excellent choices depending on your specific needs. Thank you for watching this comparison on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time.